Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to open up an Ally Bank savings account online. So it's super quick and you can do it all from your computer or phone. So first, simply go to the Ally Bank's website. So once you're here, you won't really see a big open account button, but there is a start saving button instead. So simply click that and it should take you straight to the savings account page, where you'll then be able to see all the account details, like the annual percentage yield, which is the interest you earn on your money. So once you're on this page, just click on open your account. So from here, it's mostly about filling your personal information. So things like your name, date of birth, social security number, and your US address. You'll also be able to set up your login credentials so you can access your account securely. And once you do that, you then have to fund your new savings account. So even a small initial deposit works. And the sooner you deposit, the sooner your money starts earning interest. So Ally also has some neat tools to help you save smarter, like buckets to organize your money and boosters to round up your purchases and save the change automatically. And that's it. So once everything is submitted and approved, your Ally savings account will be ready to go. So if this helped you out, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.